Guys, it confirms a Bushead get 10 pow and him pass since night. My God, man, first and I know Bushead.
People, welcome back to my channel. This is Birdie. Today I will be talking more about the tragic situation involving popular TikToker 41 Busshead. It's sad to see so many young Jamaicans being unalive in such a short space of time. Recently I saw a video of him saying he would not be leaving his house. It's sad to see what happened to you.
You know, see Busshead. You know, go see this ugly boy here. Let me tell you, I mean, I go nowhere December. One place me I go and I sting. When me get booked for. And then try send it half price and the price gone up. Yeah, smarty, the price gone up. Me say the price gone up. I 26 me I left me yard. Me not sure about nowhere else. The 21st and my birthday. You understand? And you would look away for your dead by your birthday. So I guess I go on now. The 21st me go jail duck in our hotel. You understand? You understand? Yeah, coming now on dip on the road. Yeah. Yeah, man. No local joke.
When you hear what the man say, you would look away for your dead on your birthday. And the man them kill him hours or minutes before his birthday. Judge a youth.
Then by 21st, Saturday is my birthday. You understand, I need everybody to turn out on my live, on my birthday job. We could play some games and enjoy or something. My style, you don't really look on the hairstyle, so yo, me look rough. You see, anytime when me look, say people them give me, because they see it, so I don't have nothing, you understand?
There are no words to capture how tragic this situation is. But hear what his fellow TikToker has to say. Take a listen for yourself.
Guys, it confirms a Bushead get 10 pow and him pass since night. My God, man, first and I know Bushead. What take place on the app is not safe. The app not safe, none at all. At this point, I'm glad some is not even a big TikToker or ranker because app serious. Who did remember when the lady, when it come on, after Naya did, when it one Naya, she come on the live, when them a tell her and she say it not done yet. Who remember when me even make the video when me a talk about it and me said the lady did say it not done yet, all it more TikTokers are go dead. Who did up on the live there? Jesus, I can't believe. What really take place? Cha-cha.
Judge and know people. This next clip is quite disturbing to watch, so viewer discretion is advised. But this is a clip of Bushead girlfriend getting the news of his passing, and she is in denial, as you can see.
Monday him call me. Him call me yesterday and say to come up. And I say, alright then, I'll come up Monday. So, he like, no, cause tomorrow my birthday and him have things planned.
Is that, yeah?
No, like, alright, tomorrow my birthday and him have things planned. And what? Him did want go club, him did want go taboo. But me I tell him say, him no fee go on a taboo, he can just cook some food and buy 2 liquor and rest on him ends.
Yeah.
So I'm telling him say me can't come up for the Saturday.
Yeah.
Me can't come up tomorrow. But me I go come up Monday. Me I go come up Monday.
Yeah.
And him say, alright then. Yeah. So all him for it. And tomorrow my birthday I will have plan. So all him for it today. Italian.
Yes, yes.
Wait. Tell me, oh, him for it today. Tell me now. Tell me.
No, sis.
One go take
Because,
the honor him.
because tomorrow I'm birthday. Yeah, tomorrow I'm birthday. And like 12 o'clock I'm birthday. So what the fuck?
Mm-hmm. So what I can break it. I don't know.
3 minutes left to your birthday, 3 minutes.
Yeah, yeah. Because me know, because me evil write, me evil write like the paragraph, like you know, like when a people birthday and like they write the paragraph, and me write the paragraph. Say me I wait till 12 o'clock. Say me I wait till 12 o'clock. So we can
You by yourself?
So send it.
So like all right. Me say me I wait till 12 o'clock. So me can send it to him 12 o'clock. Call that because
Start me, baby. Start me.
I don't know. I'm gonna tell me say him dead.
You're the one by
So
yourself.
gonna tell me say him dead.
She's the one by herself, Italian.
But I'm gonna tell me say him dead for real.
Should I work?
But I'm gonna tell me say they kill him. No.
He's at work.
No. This was my fear. Me beg God every day. Don't make me lose somebody when me talk to or when me there with. Because me now can't angle it. Me now can't manage it. I didn't choose me. You choose me. Me. Oh, that everybody will go through what me pray. I'm begging every day not to put me through or don't make me go through it. Because me now can't go with that shit. And me, I got to ask you, got to ask you, I got to pray to you, got to pray to you every day, I beg you. I miss the people that look their loved ones. Me pray to you, I miss say, please don't let me ever have to experience this.
No, for her, I'm going to
I miss say, ask him, I miss say, please, God, talk to you,
People, that clip was very disturbing to watch, and I am sick and tired of clips like these circulating in social media. It is getting too frequent now, and we need to put an end to it before this goes on any longer. This needs to stop now. This cannot be allowed to continue to go on. Too much young people are dying. Too much innocent people are dying. It's time now for us to come together and put a stop to this. Jamaica, listen, we need to change. People, with that video out of the way, please hit that like button and please ensure to hit that subscribe button to show me that you support this content and to keep up to date. Bird Nation, stay sharp.